Gostrek Abaul. Yeah. Wow, that's the apartment. Seafront. Ito na yung seafront nila. Ito naman condominium nila. This is how they live. They live in a condominium type apartment. Wow. That's where they eat. Oh, ito pala ang kainan nila, may, oh. Yeah. Belgium. Alam mo, may ang trabaho nila dito fishing siguro. That's how they live. They earn money by going fishing. Wow. $360. Belgium. Yeah, kaya yan naisip ko eh. Mali ang ginawa natin eh. So you have to...
Sabi mo, gusto mo umikot.
Yeah. To walk in front. Let's go back to the place where... Shh. Ayat. Kaya...
Pag di ka sinunod, galit ka.
Dahil
pa tayo doon.
Baka itapon tayo dito. Oh. People might... some people might throw us away in the river. Nobody could see us. So, we better hurry up, okay? Because they are muggers here probably. We don't know. Okay, let's walk there, maybe. Yeah. Oho, ng picture, yeah. You know.
Kahirapan natin.
Oho. Anong klaseng Belgium?